Welcome to the Enduring Word app. We're Diane and Paul, the app development team. This video goes through key features of the Enduring Word app. The home page has information about David Guzik and Enduring Word. It also has emails from around the world. Every time you go to the home page, a different email appears. It's so encouraging to read how pastors, leaders, teachers, and others are growing personally and making disciples using Enduring Word. Scroll to the bottom of the home page to send us feedback, comments, suggestions, typos, etc. To get to the Enduring Word commentary, press this tab at the bottom of the screen. On the home page, there's also a link up above. Now we're on the commentary page. To select a book and chapter, press the blue button. Then scroll and press the book. Now scroll and press the chapter. To adjust the commentary text settings, press the AA icon. As you adjust the font size, line spacing, language, or night and day mode, the text changes immediately. Choose your preferred language here. Set the Open to Commentary switch if you prefer the app to always go straight to the commentary screen where you were reading. The Reset Commentary settings reset the commentary text components. Exit the settings screen by pressing the Done button or anywhere outside the setting box. Press the question icon to display the help screens. This screen also has the Contact App support in the upper right corner. We're back on the commentary page and have selected Romans chapter 8. The Bible text is in blue, and the Enduring Word commentary text is in black. All referenced Bible verses are underlined. When you press them, the New King James Version verse is displayed. Press the X to close the pop-up. You can copy text from the commentary by long pressing and then selecting the text. You can then paste the text in an email or a note, or use the Share button. These left and right arrows on the bottom navigate quickly to the previous and next chapter. The up and down arrows on the top navigate quickly to the previous and next verse section. If you long press on the verse arrows, a verse selector table pops up. Press one of the verse sections to go directly there. Note, the verses are grouped according to the Enduring Word commentary text. Notice as you scroll or skip through the text, the blue button updates with your current book, chapter, and verse. If you read something you'd like to remember, bookmark it. Press here. To see your entire list of bookmarks, press the icon at the bottom of the page. The book, chapter, verse, and a portion of the verse section title are displayed. Press any bookmark to go directly to that book, chapter, and verse section. If you like to listen to David Guzik teach the scriptures, press the speaker icon. It directs you to the Enduring Word Media website for the current book you're studying. Once there, scroll down and select the teaching for the chapter you want to hear. We're on Romans 8. Press play, and now go back to the Enduring Word app and you can read along. Press the donate icon to donate to Enduring Word. We thank you in advance for your partnership in this ministry. The More tab has several links off to various Enduring Word websites. Check them out. Thanks in advance for your feedback, your encouraging words, your suggestions, typos, or any issues. We read and respond to every email. Blessings as you draw near to God through His Word.